All right, this lesson is 8.1 in Go Math for the homework. The directions say to write the fraction as a product of a whole number and a unit fraction. So anytime it says to write it as a product, we're going to look at the equal sign. That's kind of blurry. Is that 7/8?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 7/8. So product is the answer when we multiply. Okay, so always write that very first, right? Equals and then multiply of a whole number and a unit fraction. What clue do we know next? The unit fraction's also always going to have what? 1 as a numerator and the same denominator, so 8. Okay, so 1/8 times what is 7/8? 7. That's our whole number. We're done. How cool is that? Okay, let's look at, we'll do number 6 also. So product, right, equals of a whole number. Oh, sorry, the product is the answer when we multiply, and product of a whole number and a unit fraction. Well, we know our unit fraction. That's our very next clue. So what is it? 1. Always going to be 1 as a numerator with the unit fraction, and we use the same denominator of 12. So what times 1/12 is 11/12? 11. That's our whole number. Okay, now it says list the next 4 multiples of the unit fraction. Well, 1/8 times 1 is 1/8. 1/8 times 2 is 2/8. Then 3/8. Ooh, it's moving. 3/8, then 4/8, then 5/8. Very good. Okay, let's look at number 10. Nicholas buys 3/8 pound of cheese. He puts the same amount of cheese on 3 sandwiches. How much cheese does Nicholas put on each sandwich? Well, if we drew a box for 3 sandwiches, 1, 2, 3, and he puts 3/8 pound, he buys 3/8. So he buys 3/8 pound of cheese, and he puts the same amount of cheese on 3/8. So he has a total of 3/8, right?
Yeah.
So what is going to go on each of those 3 sandwiches?
1/8.
Yeah, so 1/8 here, 1/8 here, and 1/8 here. So, how much cheese does Nicholas put on each sandwich?
1/8.
The answer is 1/8. 3 was 3 sandwiches, and he bought 3/8 pounds. So 3/8 is our product. Okay, so the answer is 1/8 pound of cheese. Okay, I'm just going to talk through number 11. Okay, explain how to write 5/3 as a product of a whole number and a unit fraction. Remember, the product is the answer when you multiply, and the unit fraction is going to be 1/3. So you write your whole number. Ready, go.